Prisoner's dilemma. Have you heard of prisoner's dilemma? That is the example of this game theory. Game theory is a popular decision-making strategy. Each and every person is facing the challenge of decision-making, whether it is a politician or an economist or a player in different game or in any other situation, whether especially diplomats or in a national or international ways, we want to make a decision. So decision making is a crucial thing. So in a decision making, the rational persons are interacting. More than one person are taking decision. In this contest, we want to face with some contest. So we want to, the ultimate aim is either to win or to avoid the loss or to free from the challenges or it be convicted. These are the situations we are facing. This popular decision-making strategies of game theory. In this, most of this game, rational players are interacting, but the rational players are getting maximum benefit in many cases. But the outcome getting into a play, that depends not only the talent or the power or the effort or whatever the sacrifice made by the person, but the other person's reaction or the strategy based on which the outcome getting to a person that will change. Okay, we can understand what is the outcome that is in a play or a game or strategy or the thing. So that in most of the cases, what will be the outcome we are getting, that will not be the effort of that person only. That we want to think not only ourselves, but beyond to think what will be the reaction of the other player in the game. We should understand it. So that is actually facing a dilemma. We are facing a dilemma to take a proper decision. So not only our effort, we want to think whatever action we are taking, that will have an impact to the other person on the way the strategy that other player will change. So sometimes, most of the cases, we will face a dilemma. So popular example that was given in the game theory is of prisoner's dilemma. Prisoner's dilemma, that means example is that two persons committed robbery. They were convicted, they were caught and they are jailed. But they were not given freedom to interact, to take a decision. They were not allowed. They were separated. They cannot see. Okay, so to convict them, they were given maximum year of imprisonment is of 10 years. Okay, in this context, they were given option. If accepting the case, maximum year of imprisonment is of 10 years, but in case, if both of them are accepting, their imprisonment will reduce it to 5 each. That means for mainly because of their acceptance, that means confessing, they will be given only 5 years each. That is one thing. Another thing is that if they were not accepting, the judges will fail to prove this case. In that case, they were forcing it to charge only the petty cases to them, both of them. So they will get only 1 year of imprisonment because judges fail to prove these cases. They will get 1 year of imprisonment. Another thing is that if a person is not accepting and the other one is accepting, Okay. The accepted person will be freed and not accepted person will be getting 10 years of imprisonment. That are the choices that are given to this convict or robbers. So they became confused what to take. But if they are taking a decision not accepting, they will be freed. That is the case. But the thing is that what the reaction of other person, on the basis only they can take a decision. That dilemma situation in their option is that either to give self-importance or to give corporate importance. But the corporate importance, that means cooperation or to consider the others. Considers others means in that case cooperation is the option behind them. That means 5 years of imprisonment is the desirable position that can be accepted. But whereas what will be the reaction of other person on the basis of that his decision will be changed. He will be confused. Okay, that was the example given in a game strategy. That is a dilemma situation example that given in here. So most of the students are confused to clarify this situation. From this explanation, I think that you got information about this. You got the clarity of this table representation. Okay. Thank you.